A soft cinematic music fades in. Welcome to one of Norway's hidden gems. Himakånå, often called Little Trolltunga, this stunning rock formation in Nedstrand offers some of the most breathtaking views in Norway. Today I'll take you on a journey through its incredible landscapes, the scenic hike, and the unforgettable sights from the top. The journey to Himakånå starts in the peaceful village of Nedstrand. The hike is around 4 to 5 kilometers and takes about 2 hours round trip, making it a perfect adventure for both experienced hikers and families. The trail begins through dense woodlands, where the scent of pine fills the air and the sound of birds guides your way. As you climb higher, the trees open up, revealing breathtaking views of the Nedstrandsfjord and the surrounding mountains. Every step brings you closer to one of the most rewarding viewpoints in Norway. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, the summit of Himakånå. Standing here, you feel like you're on top of the world. Below, the crystal clear waters of Lysevatnet lake shimmer under the sunlight, while the vast fjord stretches endlessly into the horizon. The rock itself juts out over the edge, providing an exhilarating yet safe place to take in the view. Many visitors come here to capture that perfect photo, feeling the thrill of standing on this natural wonder. But the beauty of this region doesn't stop at Himakånå. The Nedstrand area is a paradise for nature lovers, offering kayaking, fishing and boat trips along the stunning fjords. Whether you're here for adventure or simply to relax in nature's embrace, Nedstrand has something for everyone. Himakånå and Nedstrand are truly Norway's best-kept secrets, a place where nature's beauty meets adventure, offering memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're planning your next trip to Norway, make sure this breathtaking destination is on your list. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more breathtaking travel experiences. Until next time, happy exploring. And remember, the beauty of nature is always just a step away.